Recently, a client emailed me inquiring about code switching and human wiring. Well, this topic is an example of nurture versus nature. See, understanding the distinction between nurture and nature is crucial for effective leadership. Code switching is your adaptive behavior where you modify your speech, your behavior, or even your presentation based on different contexts. It's it's a clear manifestation of our nurturing environments. For example, in code switching, you might use a formal tone during a business call, your phone voice, right? Versus a relaxed tone with your friends. While these adjustments stem from our nurturing environments influenced by social expectations, cultural norms, and even situational demands. Human wiring, though, refers to the intrinsic traits and tendencies that are part of our nature, present at birth and consistent throughout our lives. Human wiring gets to the root of how we generate ideas, how we process thought, the specific environments in which we best thrive, and how much information that we need for effective decision making. And recognizing, even appreciating these differences not only enhances personal and professional growth, but also fosters a more inclusive and productive organizational culture. For example, some individuals, based on their innate wiring, are naturally comfortable in conflict, even debate, while others avoid it. Some generate their ideas best during meetings because they verbalize those ideas with others, while others need time to reflect afterward. Well, these inherent traits shape our interactions and our preferences. There are leadership implications as well. As a leader, the more self-aware you are about your own human wiring and the impact of that wiring when communicating with others, the more effective you become. Leaders who invest in their own personal development, leverage their strengths, and recognize the unique contributions of others. Self-development fosters a more inclusive and productive work environment, moving away from forced assimilations towards valuing individual strengths. There are practical applications. Companies investing in personal and leadership development will benefit. They benefit from enhanced individual performance, greater team collaboration and communication, increased innovation. Why? Because they're tapping into diverse strengths. Understanding the distinction between the nurturing environment, like code switching, and your nature, your human wiring, allows for more effective leadership and a more dynamic workplace where everyone's unique abilities are recognized and utilized. I'm Lisa Minnini. Until next week, create a great life.